Welcome to Easy Peasy Accounting. Today, we're going to learn how to create a balance sheet, a fundamental financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position. Owner's equity is the value that remains after deducting liabilities from assets. For instance, if a house is valued at $1 million and the owner has an $800,000 mortgage, the remaining $200,000 represents the owner's equity. This concept is crucial for understanding the balance sheet. Here is an example of a balance sheet for Panda Restaurant as of September 30, 2024. It shows the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, demonstrating the equation: assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Let's take a closer look at the detailed list of assets and liabilities for Panda Restaurant. This breakdown helps us understand the specific components that make up the balance sheet. Here is a blank balance sheet template. This format can be used to create your own balance sheet by filling in the relevant financial information for your business. Now, let's see a filled balance sheet example for Panda Restaurant. Notice how the assets and liabilities are categorized and totaled, providing a clear picture of the financial status. In this slide, we highlight the liabilities section of the balance sheet. Understanding liabilities is essential as they represent the debts and obligations of the business. Equity is calculated by subtracting total liabilities from total assets. This slide shows the calculation for Panda Restaurant, emphasizing the importance of owner's equity in the balance sheet. Here, we break down the assets and liabilities further, showing how each category contributes to the overall financial picture. This detailed view helps in better understanding the balance sheet components. And that's how we learned about creating balance sheets and calculating owner equity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching.